So guys, for the first method, in the bottom right of your taskbar, you want to click on the arrow. Now you want to click on select a sound output. Once this comes up, make sure that your output device is correct. Once that's been selected, you want to go back. Make sure that your speakers are turned up and that this is not muted. See if that works. For the next method, you want to go to search and type in S&D VOL. Click on it. And now once you run this, again, make sure that your speakers are not muted and that you have the application you want to use turned up for the sound. And make sure that it's not muted. For the next method, you want to go to search and type in troubleshoot settings. Click on it. Once you run this, you want to click on other troubleshooters. And now you want to find audio. Click on run. And now this will come up, the Windows Audio Troubleshooter. You want to click on yes to run the automated diagnostics. You want to go through all the steps that will come up here and then see if that works for you. For the next method, check your keys on your laptop keyboard and then look for a sound key. Make sure that it's not been accidentally muted or something, so just click on the sound key, see if that works. For the last method, restart your laptop, come back into Windows and then see if that works.